This gentleman has established the company as a trusted provider of industrial robotics and automation solutions. Under his leadership, Artec Global delivers customized system integration, process optimization, as well as end-to-end engineering solutions.
I'm deeply honored to receive this award, but this recognition doesn't just belong to me, but is to my entire team of Artec Global. Once again, thank you very much. Hello, I'm Eddy Chong, the founder of Artec Global, Malaysia Sdn Bhd. Our company, Artec Global, established in year 2012 and incorporated in year 2013. We are the system integrator for robotics and automation system. So my journey started when I graduated from a university in Japan. And then when I came back to Malaysia and I entered, and that's where I stumbled into the field of robotics. So I found out that they are still very new. Back then, the robotics is still very new for the market, and I thought I can bring some revolutionary into the market. That's the reason why I decided to establish my own company. Actually, I don't think that I'm successful, but there are a few factors that are quite important. Firstly would be humble and learn new things. Secondly will be trust. We need to not only selling product to our customers, but we try our best to be a very well trusted and reliable partner to our customers. We are actually aiming to become one of the most leading system integrator for robotics and automation in the market. So I hope one day Artec can become a company that all Malaysians will be proud of. Thank you very much, Enterprise Asia.